Our slave queens, another one, oh. You don't happen, I don't tell her. You don't happen, I don't tell her. They don't catch them, I don't tell her. They don't arrest slave queens. This one, they say, look at that way. They carry one man. They be like 3 or before. I don't forget, but I didn't say they be like 3. Man carry them go there. The people. After they when they finish, the man run. Also, he leave them for that place. He no pay. I even they should say he no even pay them for the where they do. Now so the man carry things. He start they come see wahala. Now so they carry the girls. They say, okay, since we cannot find the man, oh yeah, we have found you people. I don't know why they don't even allow them scrub the toilets. But anyhow, they don't handcuff them, arrest them. I bring her for una to learn. They know themselves. I better put the video, make them watch.
I told you I don't want to talk to you, right? I don't want to talk to you. Talk. Hey, I don't want to talk to you. Get a job. Get a job. What? Get a job. And leave us in peace. What are you doing? Stop doing that way. Stop doing that. Stop that, please. Can you stop?
Stop that, please.
I'll sue you. I'll stop that. Stop that. Ma'am, can you stop that, please? I don't want to talk to you. What are you doing? I don't even fucking know her. Give me my phone. I want to call. What happened? We're trying to fix this, please.
Hey, damn you! It is sweet me. When they look me like that, it is sweet to me. I cannot deny it. Listen to that one. He say, I will sue you. I will sue you. You get money to sue person, but you know if you pay bills when they leave behind for you. Will never say anything. Hey, this one is just the beginning. This one will just be the genesis. Wahala just plenty everywhere. Imagine this kind of disgrace. Then they give you finish. They say arrest you on top. No, ladies, what are like they disgrace us? What are like? No, what have you decided that in this life that you have called, you cannot give your fellow women peace of mind? See, that one not give them shishi. If you not like, okay, I go my updates now. Here when I go see get her, he not give them anything. Hey, that man wise. I just should say that man a Igbo man. He chop finish. He after una select expensive hotel, the man even enjoy AC on top. Una go like 3 sub because hey, Chineke me, Igbo no dey carry last so slave queens. Slave queen work no easy. All of una way una go see their long nails. They don't carry expensive bag. Nothing so easy. This is what they pass through. Some days are green, some days are red. This one, now one of the red days. I trust our Naija girls. They not be Naija. No, these girls, they cannot. No. Naija girls. Before you even think that your briefcase, they don't carry. Before you think. And the one even they shock me now, this one's even more than 2. How can they play with you people's head like that? One I go even carry. Oh, I bet I don't start the toss of things. Before I go to say me too, I dey inside this game. Oh yeah, I no go talk. These people don't fall my hand like they fall and die. But the hotel people now that one another case. Hotel people. I beg. No be now so they tell me I don't know. They say na person wey register, abi person wey give una details, now you not supposed to hold responsible. And they say na the man go feed the book. Abi I no understand how come this one's gonna end up they pay for it. Anyways, it sweets me. It sweets me. From this one, una go learn. Una never say it. Abi una say, hey, to sit down in an office now is stressful. You not have a boss. You not be sending you up and down. Imagine a boss. This one, now what you not like. So they have brought it to you. And I hope say all of you now will follow. No, you dey sit down now, they watch me. You know yourself. I can see you from here. You're sitting in your parlor eating gum. You know yourself. The next one will go happen if you no take time. Now you, I go bring for this place. Some ladies say, una problem just plenty. Place where you know say you no fit afford by yourself. You dey tell man make carry you there. Now your father. Any place I cannot pay, I will not suggest it. Because anything can happen. I mean, if I don't get money for her, I know they come out. Imagine you go restaurant now, you go there. No, this one I hear happen in like you go restaurant, person will even carry you go restaurant, they take one bottle water. You don't order like 10 plates, even take away, joy, bam. So what if that person run and go? You know, really think. Take something that you know that, except if you trust the person 100%. If now this first date, hey, you go scrub toilets. You never say anything. They go even buy paint. When you start the paint the OBD. Oh. My people now be this. Oh, I was late quiz matter. I bring her. I bet share this video. Make them learn from this one. And no forget. I won't know what you think concerning this matter. I want to say, make una tell me if you don't experience it. But I know so many people now and I go they hide that. No problem. Still drop the comment. And make sure say you subscribe and click on that bell so that you no go miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story. Another kidnapper in the building. This one upgraded version. It's not the regular one where they talk say he kidnapped 3 years old. He did this one. This one upgraded. This man go enter school. Normal school where children they go learn. He entered the school. Disguised as the person father. He say, I have come for my child. That's what they call. Hey, he go make person wise. That's what the school people come to ask and say, who is your child? Because we have not seen you here before. He come to tell the school people, say, you are treating me bad. If you vex me, I'll take my child out of the school. Another person picking. That's what they got out. They say the pikin name na Chisom. They call the father. The father appear. Bam. Kidnapper no know where to talk again. The father come, they ask the kidnapper, say, they are your children. Also, no, I saw them off. You saw them off where? Make I not remove all the sugar from this sugar cane. I won't make una, you understand? Make it reach everybody. So I bring a corner side so that I will now go here very well with now ear from the horse's mouth. I will put the video, make them watch.
He made a statement that I was asking, who are you? He said, looking for Chisom. There's no Chisom here. He said he's teaching English and maths. I want to say, so please, you cannot go. Because he just, hey, I had the...
He's been around.
Down. Sit down. He just put me down.
How did he know that the children...
This person, he said, he knows Marvin Mark. When is my eye just... I said, the mic now. He said,
I'm just left in now.
He said, if I don't take time, he will withdraw the children from this school.
Which children?
The children. He said,
Which children?
Your children.
He will withdraw from the school. He said he's come here to see somebody. I'm embarrassing him. I said, who is? I don't know anybody with that name. Who are you? What are you looking?
Yes, now.
Hearing the names of the
Maybe it's a setup. He's coming to watch those children.
So I said, who are you? What are you coming to see?
What are you looking for my children?
And he knows these children. And what even got
I saw them all.
Said that is a bastard.
I saw them all with mom. I saw them all just now. So that was when I called. Who did I call? She told me that she knows the Miss Chisom.
Who do you call?
Me.
She said you know Miss Chisom, right?
Miss Chisom. Somebody. I saw the lady left you on the chair and go inside. Thank you.
So take this one. This
Kai Jare. Which one is taking this one?
Baby. Did you see why you came to pick these children? What's the name of the people?
You met me in the school.
Everybody don't quiet. My first problem now be say, I don't notice this thing. From that girl when they kidnap Akpan. Now from that place I noticed this thing. Which one is this new way of treating criminals with royalty? This one they even give a chair me sit down. But see by now don't suppose you start scatter. Even wear cap, face cap, bros, you can't pick your pikin from school. This love when they give her, now even when they give me joy. That slap he enter. Now like that. I don't dey talk this thing since. Una too dey treat these criminals with soft hand. Any small thing una go start dey ask questions plenty. First give am. After you all give am head, then we can move into the questions session. The nerves where these people they get alone to carry some kind things. Now wait, I don't understand. You enter school. Hey, you enter school. Before I think say kidnapping, they go wait where isolated area where person no dey, people know plenty. This one get mind enter school. Is the courage for me or for somebody? Yeah. Kudos to the school authority. You people, in fact, I am proud. Now this kind of matter they like. Not be every day bad news they will succeed. Ask questions. This is a school. And I say this thing go teach you na parents. Mind the schools you they take una pikin to not be all those banana school when they go. You go they see the school building service about to collapse. You still they go there, they ask questions. What are you asking? Your eye know they see say this school is not good. Take your children to school where no, see, we get schools. Nayera, we get schools. I go pick my auntie picking from school one day. I was never around. I travel, I come back, now my first time. But the pikin know me. I go to school. I say, please, I'm here to pick David. See calls where they start to make. Me say, I can't feel like say I don't commit crime. And we are trying to find out. They call the auntie husband. They call See security. Already the country is bad. At least we on our own make we try secure our own small place because government know they help us. So anywhere you are, you find yourself, try and create your own. You understand? Your own what I want call a private. The rate of kidnapping in Nigeria don't cause to alarm. In fact, it has passed alarm every day for Nigeria and a super story. Thank God say they no catch. This guy no succeed. Wow, thank God say this guy no succeed because I can imagine what is they wrong with some people. Una chop winch. See this man. You don't know whether na taxi driver. No, make we try the reason something sometimes. You don't know whether na taxi driver. You don't know whether na single parent. Maybe wife live with the children. Only him they hustle, they work, they do all these things for him pikin. You they go to school say they go kidnap the pikin. Your head is not working. You need resetting in your brain. I beg, let's be vigilant. My people, let us be vigilant. Shotigba, let us be vigilant. Else we go just dey receive bad news everywhere. Person no need be your family member. Person no need dey under your care. If you are passing on the road, you notice something. But with wisdom, not the one where you go only in the name of trying to save somebody, you end up inside problem. No, use wisdom. You notice something fishy, find out. You understand? Strategize. See, let's be each other's backup. I'll be waiting to record that English. Brother's keeper. Let's try. Very, very important. And for this school, kudos again. Now, in fact, even they do pass our government. Now, like this kind of news, now they like. Don't mind our government where they don't know how to even provide security for us. Let us be our own security. Very, very important, my people. I beg. If you know this man where you just watch, also give him my own advice. Sir, be very careful next time too. Very important. I want to need train our children too. You understand? My people, not the matter be this. Very heavy. Wetin you guys talk concerning am, drop am for that comment section and share this video so that all children, parents and schools and every other thing they go learn to keep security consciousness for their mind. Very, very important. Click on that notification bell too. If not, how you want to hear this one again next time. Stay tuned for our next story. The Senate don't tell federal government to suspend plans of 5G network in Nigeria. For una wey no know, maybe una see dey say 3G na the last, 4G na the last. Mbanu, they were planning on bringing 5G into the market. But guess what? They say may they suspend that for now. And according to news wey reach us, the Red Chamber, I don't know who be that, but now wetin they tell us. They say the Red Chamber don die. Make I read that for English. The Red Chamber has directed the Nigerian Communications Commission and the mobile network operators to suspend this very exercise for now to enable them to study the trend of 5G deployment across the world. So in other words, we not supposed to get 5G by now, but they don't suspend that. They are trying to study the trend of 5G. Now lie! We study. They are trying to study the now because money no to come outside from this plan. Now one as say they don't shift and go outside. You see, if you still sit down, they listen to anything where these people they come out with. Meaning say you're on a long thing. They don't plan. They don't see say we no go get. You understand? What do these people know about technology? Our government. No, wait till they know. Nothing say na car matter with they talk. What do they know about technology? Now just to the way agbada to come discuss nonsense with us. Now the only thing where they sabi. They have cross-checked this whole thing very well. They see they don't balance their gain and their loss. So they say no. Now they can't lie to now. Say they are suspending it for now because they are trying to do this one, they are trying to do that one. The 5G, where they come outside, they talk about now. How will I want to enjoy it when light no be? Which light you go use? Enjoy this thing. These people no go first fix lights so that we don't say okay, oh, now we go enjoy this thing. People go come outside, they talk about 5G. Nigeria too go come outside, they talk about 5G. No, we are not say something. No, something is wrong. Other countries where they very developed, they go talk about 5G. Nigeria, our own too go come outside stand. Even the 3G say where we get Alpha. Ordinary Google, try open Google. My fellow Nigerian, try open Google on your phone and see whether the network will go. That one say we still dey fight. Sometimes if the Google no go even gree open, we still dey fight on that one. Na virgin thunder, na see thunder wey still be virgin. Now go fire all these people. Now they go fire them. Other countries they move forward. We still dey 100 times behind. I don't know what will be our problem. No, seriously, my people. I don't want to say I don't tire because it be like say I don't repeat them too much. We still dey 100 times behind. Other countries now, when you talk about technology, they stand out. With all the resources when Nigeria gets, all the borrow when Nigeria they borrow. That means by now we suppose see again many countries where by now they not even suppose they stand if they stand, but because of the kind people where they rule us, we no fit move. Now they don't even they pursue us. Now we have become liability. Now we have everything is wrong with Nigeria. Everything. The way they say, you know, see all these Senate people, they want trend. Senate now, they don't become big brother Naija housemates. They just want to trend. Any small thing when they come outside, they will just come outside and they tell us. I beg God. I want to pray for them. I beg me will not pray. God, please give them sense. They need it. You see sense? They need it. Because without sense, how they want to think? Upon the problems where they this country, these people they think of network. I don't understand. That's why the other time they come out, body cam. I tell you, I say, give them 1 week. And that is not even reach 1 week. You hear body cam matter today? No. I even talk on that period. I say, where the light, where you go, they use charge that thing. Till today. They bring another one, CCTV cameras in all the streets to be able to capture armed robbers, kidnappers, and whatever. Where the light for Nigeria? Where CCTV camera won't work? Now another one don't come. This one are waiting 5G. Why do Nigeria government bring things that has to do with electricity as their plans when they know that electricity is not working? I will leave this country for my last. Me, after here like this, I go back. I dey leave. No bother about passports. Water. I feel swim. I go swim. See, better make her swim my life out than to. I don't tire. 5G. If you know say they watch me, I don't know, maybe some people don't start to experience the 5G. I bet my people make una let me know so that me too I go enter inside that level. You understand? Because me, even 3G, I still dey struggle. Even my phone, I dey go people shop go charge. So I don't know how I dey do it. Explain to me, Biko, for that comment section. My people, I beg help me share this video. Nigeria need to know that 5G has been suspended. Very, very important. And our government too need to hear me on this one because they need wisdom. You understand? And only me if you give them that wisdom. Very, very important. And don't forget, click on that notification bell. If not, how you want to know matters where they happen for our governmental or presidential association of house? This thing, the anger. Stay tuned for our next story.